But still Qadianis are spreading. With the united Muslim global stand against Qadianis, but still Qadianis are spreading. As the elder was saying, one of the biggest Qadiani annual gatherings outside India is in Nigeria. Millions of Qadianis in the west of Africa, and in East Africa, in other parts of Africa, and a regular Qadiani annual gathering takes place in Palestine.
मुसलमानों में कम से कम हिंदुस्तान में और खास तौर पे पंजाब के अंदर जिस तेजी के साथ ये परवान चढ़ी है और कादियानियत जो है जंगल की आग की तरह फैल रही थी।
और ये आवाम को अब तय कर लीजिए, आपके दरभंगा में कादियानियत फैल रही है। कौन सा इलाका है जहां नहीं फैल रही है कादियानियत?
Continuing the news, despite the negative images being portrayed of Muslims across the world, especially those associated with ISIS and Boko Haram, the Ahmadiyya Muslims are reporting an increase in membership in the Caribbean, especially in Jamaica. So who are the converts? Dara Smith sat down with the Muslim leaders at their annual conference in the United Kingdom recently.
Arguably, Islam is said to be the fastest growing religion worldwide. And the Ahmadiyya Jamaat community is fast growing as well, with over 10 million followers. It has an estimated 500,000 converts annually. 113 countries joined this year, bringing the number of countries under the Ahmadiyya Islam banner to 200.